The funeral arrangements of two slain cousins, 22-year-old Tshiamo Moramaga and 21-year-old Baleseng Moramaga, are currently underway at Luckau village outside Groblersdal in Limpopo. The two cousins were brutally murdered in Mamelodi East in Pretoria. Their bodies were found on Sunday morning.
The news of the killing of the cousins sparked outrage and grief countrywide. As the funeral arrangements are underway, friends and the community continue to gather to pay their condolences. The accused murderer, 38-year-old Tebogo, has been remanded in custody by the Mamelodi Magistrate Court. The bereaved family is still devastated.
When
we heard about this incident, it evoked strong emotions. We are having trouble sleeping at night, and our emotions are running high. It's painful, and it's even more painful because we are told it was done by one person.
The deceased Baleseng and Tshiamo moved to Mamelodi in 2023 and 2024 respectively after enrolling with the University of South Africa. The family believes the deceased had bright future ahead of them. The deceased are described as joyful cousins who had close bond from their young ages.
As a family, we want justice. Our children were very peaceful and always happy. They were always together. We want justice to prevail.
Tshiamo Moramaga and Baleseng Moramaga will be buried here at Luckau on Saturday. The community here is still devastated by the incident and is demanding justice for the cousins. I'm Tshiamo Moramaga, SABC News, Luckau.